This is my writing score on my first IELTS attempt, and this is the score 2 weeks later. You might ask me what has happened in those 2 weeks, and I will tell you this. For 18 days, I wrote over 20 essays, and my score did change over time. It went from 6.5 to a 6. Yeah, my score actually decreased. I thought that if I would write essays daily, my score was guaranteed to improve, but it turned out to be a huge mistake. I learned it the hard way, and I don't want you to make the same mistakes as I did. The day I received my score, I was frustrated because I was half a band short from getting an 8 overall. And the same day I booked a retake 2 weeks in advance. This time I had a different plan. A plan so powerful that it boosts people's scores and their university acceptance chances. If you would ask me to give it a name in 2 words, I would say reading samples. The suggestion to choose this method didn't come out of thin air. Many people I know and have taken IELTS have said and proved that it's the best method out there. So when it comes to reading samples, it is not that difficult. Simply, you read an essay 4 times. You read a high band essay, each time focusing on a different criteria. Let me show you how it works on a real essay. The first time I read, I will look for ideas, topic sentences, descriptions, and example, lead, and contrast sentences. Secondly, I look for cohesive devices, usually at the start of paragraphs and sentences. Phrases such as, for example, on the one hand, on the other hand, additionally, and others. Then you look for advanced vocabulary and collocations. Finally, you see complex grammar structures such as conditionals, relative clauses, and passive voice. So here's what I would do in your position. Forget the 20 essays. Take 3 Band 9 samples and read each one of them 4 times, looking for ideas, grammar, linking, and vocabulary. And by the end of the week, you'll catch yourself writing things that you didn't know you could. Not more writing, but reading. It is much easier than writing essays daily. But writing isn't even the whole IELTS exam. If you want to improve your listening, I strongly suggest you to go here. And if you want to improve your reading, you can go here.